Hello farmers, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you on how to start up a snail business. Please, thank you for the subscribers. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop our new videos. Please kindly like our videos and share. Now, to start and run a successful snail business, there are some things that you need to put into considerations before you can start and run a successful snail business. As you all know, snail business is lucrative in Nigeria, not only in Nigeria, all over the world. Most of the meat that we consume most is snail. Most of our restaurants, the big restaurants that we know, they consume snail meat a lot because snail meat doesn't have fat. It's low in fat, low in cholesterol, and many other things also. Then all the requirements that we have, that we get in some other animal, snail possesses also, like the protein, the vitamin. Snail has all of those qualities that we need in some other animals. So snail business is very lucrative in Nigeria and very profitable business. Snail business is less in labor. The labor for snail is very less. You are not going to work very hard in snail business. All you just need to do is just work slow and get everything right. All you just need to do first is to just get all the ideas concerning this snail, how you could get them, how you could buy them, and how you could start rearing them, their house, and some other things that need to be done before this snail business begins. So now I'll be giving you the step one after the other, so that whenever you follow this step, you are going to run a successful snail business. Now, one of the steps is having the business idea. In short, in almost all business, we need to have the ideas. That is the number one thing. That is the beginning of every business. First thing is to have the idea, have the perspective of what you are going into. How are you going to achieve this? How is the thing going to, how is it going to look? Like, okay, if you tell people, are they going to like it or not? Are they going to key to your plan? Are they going to see your own pattern of view? Are they going to like or accept what you are proposing to them? Is a thing that should be on our mind. So having that business ideas, have that snail business idea in your mind. Having the business that, okay, I want to start a snail business. What are the things that I need to know about this snail, and how am I going to rear this snail, and is the market profitable or not? After getting all this ready, then you could start and run a successful snail business. Then number two is varieties of snail to start with. Like we all know, snail doesn't have male, neither do they have female. They are both female. All snail are female, so they didn't have male and they didn't have female. All you just need to do is just get to the market, get the right varieties of snail that you want to start, then get them from the market, or you can buy them from the farmers. People that pick them from the forest. Or is a thing that you can do yourself, like you went to a forest, clear the bushes around there, then buy things like pineapple, apple, mango, a lot of fruit, and some other food items, but not cooked food. The food must be raw food. You can take it inside a forest, clear a portion of land, just little, leave the food there, then give it to like 30 to 1 hours, then come back to come and check the place that you put this particular feed. You are going to see that you catch a lot of snail from there. So in that way, that will be better for you to get the right one, because if you went to the market and buy the snail now, some of those market women, they keep the snail outside the sun, so sun without shining on the snail. So before carrying the snail to your house, something might have happened to the snail. You will discover that the snail will not lay egg very well. So get the right varieties of snail. So you can try this idea that I just gave to you, because I've tried it before and it worked for me. So if you try it yours also, I believe that it's going to work for you. Just clear a portion of land inside the forest, and this particular forest that we're going to clear this portion of land is not somewhere that they used to burn bush. I mean, they used to burn bush all the times, because if that particular place happens to be the place that they used to burn bush all the time, the plan will not work. I mean, the forest that they used to burn the bush, you need to set fire on the bush to burn. A very good forest, a very good bushes area. You can try this particular idea and it's going to work for you. Then number 3 is construction of the snail house. This is when it lies in our hand. To construct this snail's house, we need an expert in constructing the snail's house. Snail is not a poultry bed, neither is a goat, no. So their house is different. Their house is different. You need an expert to construct the house for you. You're going to do it in form of cardboard, or a table, but inside you must open the inside wide, then keep the snail inside. Then inside the house must be wide and has a height from the ground. The height must be tall, the length must be wide and everything. Then inside the house, you need to put a dry leaf and a loamy soil, not a sanding soil. Put a loamy soil and a little bit water on top of the soil to to be wet. Snail doesn't like where it's hot. They like a cold place. They can't adapt in a hot weather. They will only adapt in a cold weather. So that place must be a little bit watery. That particular sand must be a little bit watery, so that place will get a little bit cold for the snail to live there. Why number 4 is harvesting of the snail. If you see that the snail has laid their egg and hatched the egg, then you start selling the young ones, or start selling the young ones and transfer the old one to another cage to start multiplying for you. So snail business is very fast. They are very fast in hatching egg and every other things. So they are very fast. All you just need to do, whenever they hatch the egg, don't allow water to pour on the egg. Keep the egg in the one place for 21 days. The egg will hatch. So once again, if you are new in this channel, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop our new videos. Please kindly like our videos and share.